there friends, I hope that you're all well and that you have been practicing your recorders. I have practiced very hard this whole week. Naki and Bobby and myself are super proud of you for the hard work you're putting into playing and practicing. Now boys and girls, today we have an exciting lesson. You know why? Because the lesson's going to be about me. Yeah, you heard right. The lesson is about me. Not about you, me. Let me explain. Hold your thumbs up. Point them to yourself and say, me. Let me hear you. Thumbs up. Point yourself and say, me. Yes, that is what the lesson is about. Remember, the previous lesson we did was about do, re, and now it's me. But we can't show the sign like this. Oh no, we have a super way of having to show what the sign looks like. The do, can you remember, was just like this. And the re was slightly lower wrist. Now do you want to know what the me looks like? Easy peasy. Just like this. Palm down to the floor. Now let's quickly recap. We want to show the do, the re, and the me. Are you going to do this with me? First do, and then re, then me. 1, 2, 3, and do, re, me. How easy is that? Very easy. Did you find it a bit tough? I don't think so either. Boys and girls, I think we should get straight to business. This is going to be a jam-packed lesson and we have to concentrate very, very nicely. I would like for you to open your books on page 19 and then we're going to look at the first exercise, which is track 46. But now remember, this will also appear on your screen, so that will be great. You don't maybe have to even open your books. You can just watch what we're going to do. The first note of the music line will start on do. So I'm going to quickly look at my book so that I know where I am, because otherwise I'm going to be confused. So here I have my book and I'm going to show you. It starts on a do, then a re, and then me, and a me, re, and another do. That might look a little bit difficult, but I'm sure we can do this. Are you going to show with me? Are you ready? Let's first show how we're going to show. So it's do, re, me, re, and do. What I think we should do is to also clap the rhythm, because that will help us to remember how to show the signs. Are you ready? Let's clap the rhythm. On a simple ta, 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 ah. Let's see what we can do. 1, 2, 3, and ta, 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 ah, ta, te, ta, ta, ah. Did you find that difficult? I didn't think you would. Now, boys and girls, we have to actually sing as well as show the signs. Are you ready for this? Okay, so are you holding your hand on the D? Not the D, the do. It's a do, not a D. Sorry, do. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, and do, re, mi, re, do. Right, boys and girls, now we're really getting down to business. We have to do exercise 1, exercise 2, 3, 4, and 5, and we've got stars to collect. So how are we going to do this, boys and girls? The first thing we're going to do is to clap and say ta, ta, or ta, tate, ta, a, my goodness, ta, a. And then the second thing we're going to do is to say the note names while we clap the rhythm. And the third time round, we are going to show the signs and we'll sing it on a do or a re or a mi. Are you ready to do that? Right, so for exercise 1, and it will be track 47, we're going to clap. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, and ta, 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 ah. Easy peasy. Now, slightly more difficult. We're going to still clap the rhythm and say the note names. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, and G, G, A, B, B, B. Good job. I can see you have been practicing. Now for the signs. Are you ready? For track 47, we will start on a do. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, and do, do, re, re, mi, mi, mi. That was very good. That was brilliant. Boys and girls, I think that you deserve a star. Do you think you deserve a star? Really? I can't hear you. Do you deserve a star? Totally. Here we go. Our first star down. Second exercise is just as easy. We just make sure that we look out for anything that's maybe different to the first line. So here we go for exercise 2. We're going to first clap the rhythm. Well done. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, and ta-te, ta-te, ta, ta, ta-te, ta, ta, ah. Was that slightly more difficult because we started with a tate? I found it a little bit more challenging, but let's keep on going. We're going to say the note names now while we're clapping. Can you remember what is that first note's name? It sounds like a B. Yes, it's the note B. Well done. Are you ready? Let's do this. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, and B, 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 A, G, G, A, G. Oh, gee, that was an awesome job. You guys did amazingly. Now, the trick is, where do we start? Start when we do the hand signs. Are we going to start on a do? Are we going to start on a re? Are we starting on a mi? Yes, I told you it's all about me. Let's do this. Let's sing and show the signs. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, and mi, 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 re, re, do, do, re, do. You guys are absolutely amazing. Naki, do you think so? Bobby, do you think so? I think so. And that's all that matters. And I think that the star wants to bounce around and find its place. So we have 2 stars. Right, the next exercise is now exercise 3, which will be track 49. And it's slightly more tricky. So let's quickly clap. And then we're going to do the note names. You know the drill. You know how to do this. Let's get this going. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and ta, 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 ah. Good job. Now what comes next? The note names. Yes. I'm ready. 1, 2, 3, and G, A, B, B, A, B, B, A, G. That's slightly more tricky. So when we start now, we have to make sure that we start on a do. That's absolutely correct. Let's do this for track 49. 1, 2, 3, and do, re, re, mi, re, re, do. All that singing makes me tired, but I know that we're getting another star. So there we go. Well done, guys. You're absolutely amazing. Now we have 2 more exercises left. Are you ready to do this? Because I'm ready, super, super ready. So for exercise 4, can you see that something tricky is in there? Yes, the sa. So remember, shh, because Sammy Snake says shh on sa. So here we go. We're going to clap first the rhythm. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, and ta, sa, ta, sa, ta, te, ta, ta, ah. Good job. Now for the note names. Yes. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, and G, sa, A, sa, B, B, A, B. Oh, well done. The trick is going to be now when we do the hand signs, because we still have to show the sa. But we are starting again on a do. Are you ready? Don't go too slow. Let's watch. 1, 2, 3, and do, sa, re, mi, re, mi. That was interesting. Do you know what was interesting to me is that we ended on a me and not back to a do. And if you notice that, we can give you another star. So now you're basically in a 4-star hotel. But you know what's better than a 4-star hotel? A 5-star hotel. So I would love for us to go to a 5-star hotel with this lesson. So I'm going to ask that you now concentrate really hard and let us do exercise 5. Right, here we go. We're starting with a, ta, ah. So watch out. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, and ta, ah, ta, te, ta, ah, ta, te, ta, ah. Good job. Slightly different, but still okay. Let's now say the note names while we clap. Are you ready? We're almost done, almost in that 5-star hotel. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, and B, A, G, B, A, G. Well done, boys and girls. So now we have to do the hand signs. Okay. Are you ready? Are we starting on a do, re, mi? Because it's about me. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, and mi, re, re, do, mi, re, do. Oh, that one is very tricky, and I'll have to go and practice that one again. So I hope that you'll go and practice that one too. Boys and girls, so we said we wanted to be in a 5-star hotel, and there's your 5th star for a 5-star hotel. But you know what? I am going to go to the nicest ice cream parlor now, and Naki and Bobby and myself will make sure that we get a 5-scoop ice cream. 5 scoops, nice and big. So go and have a nice ice cream. Remember, have 5 scoops, and remember to practice all your signs and then I'll see you next time. Bye!